Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to study how the pregnancy testing is done by checking HCG secretion. Now see, human embryo, even at the stage of blastocyst, will produce a hormone that is known as human chorionic gonadotropin or HCG. It is actually produced by trophoblast layer and later on it is made by the embryonic placenta cell. This hormone will enter the bloodstream of the mother and will try to maintain the corpus luteum because continuation of corpus luteum is necessary because it allows the vascular tissue to increase in the endometrium. And you can say this is very important in the stage of pregnancy, first stage, because then only the implantation will be successful. Later on, placenta will produce its own steroid hormone. So this HCG hormone, which is secreted by the embryo or by placenta, it is a reliable indicator of pregnancy and it is the basis of early pregnancy test. So scientists have developed a B lymphocyte which produce only one type of antibodies, which are using HCG as an antigen. They will recognize HCG as an antigen and they have made only one type of antibodies. These type of antibodies are known as monoclonal antibodies. Please check the videos if you want to learn it. I have already made it monoclonal antibody video. So please check it. So they are producing only one type of antibody which will recognize this as an antigen. Is it clear? Now, these antibodies are then attached to an enzyme which can change the color when they are exposed to the selected substrate. And both HCG plus enzyme will work together as a unit, and it is in the kit that is known as early pregnancy test kit. Now let us understand the diagram. See here, it has got two sites. One is test site, which will have a fixed antibody to trap HCG, plus dye attached to the substrate. Then it is having a control site which is also fixed antibody, and they are trying to trap free antibodies. Now, where are free antibodies present? They are present on the reaction site where urine will be also loaded. So here free antibodies are present and their work is to trap the HCG if present. If it is present, then they will trap the HCG. And this control site work is to trap those antibodies which have not trapped the HCG. Understood? Now please try to understand diagram here. This is the control site which is having fixed antibodies. This is test site. This is also having fixed antibodies. And this is the reaction site. Here antibodies are free. They are free to move. And here if you see urine is loaded where the HCG, these are the HCG which are present. So now the urine will move in this direction, and when it is moving, HCG will bind with the antibodies. You can see here this antibody has bind with the HCG. Same with this antibody has bind with HCG. So you can see antibodies are attaching with HCG. But some antibodies like this one, it is not bound. This is free. This antibody has not trapped HCG. So these are free. Now, when they are moving further, what will happen? The immobile antibodies, means which are fixed antibodies, they will trap the mobile HCG antibody. Is it clear? They will trap only those antibodies which have bound with HCG. So they are trapping those antibodies which have bind with HCG. And those antibodies which are free, so excess mobile antibodies, they will come on the test site. From the test site, they will come to the control site. This is the control site. And here what will happen? They are binding. Now, because of this, color will also come. Now, if suppose blue color come first here, in this case, it means HCG is there. It means pregnancy is confirmed. and blue color come here. This tells ki yes, kit is correct. Kit is working properly. Kit is working properly. Is it clear? And here you are used reaction site where you have loaded mobile HCG monoclonal antibodies with blue colored granules means dye attached. So I hope so. In this diagram, you must have understood how the HCG secretion testing is done to know the pregnancy is there or not. I hope so this video might be helpful for you. Thanks for understanding.